Home Remedies presents
I mixed Vaseline with turmeric for 7 surprising uses. Some home remedies are simple, some are powerful, and some are both. Today's remedy is one of the oldest healing combinations used in many households. Vaseline plus turmeric. One moisturizes and protects your skin. The other brightens, soothes, and calms it. Mix them together and you get a golden miracle paste that helps with 7 everyday skin and beauty issues. All naturally and safely. Let's learn how to make it, how to use it, and the precautions you must follow. How to make the golden paste. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon Vaseline, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder, organic preferred. Method: add Vaseline to a small bowl. Mix in the turmeric powder. Stir until you get a smooth golden paste. Store in an airtight container for up to a week. Your turmeric healing balm is ready. 7 surprising uses of Vaseline and turmeric paste. Lightens dark elbows and knees. Turmeric brightens. Vaseline softens and hydrates. How to use: apply a thin layer for 10 minutes, rinse with warm water. Reduces appearance of dark neck. Helps even out tone and moisturize dry patches. How to use: apply for 5 to 7 minutes, wipe with a wet towel. Lip lightening for dark, dry lips. Use it only at night. It moisturizes deeply and helps lighten discoloration. How to use: apply a very small amount for 10 minutes, then wipe off. Fade mild dark spots, not active pimples. Works well for old acne marks or uneven skin. How to use: apply only on the spot for 5 minutes, wash off. Softens cracked heels. Makes heels smoother and reduces dryness. How to use: apply a thick layer at night and wear socks. Treats dry, rough hands. Especially useful for winter dryness. How to use: rub a small amount over dry areas and leave for 5 minutes before washing. Underarm brightening, mild. Helps soften and brighten the underarm surface. How to use: apply for 3 to 5 minutes, rinse and moisturize afterward. Important safety guidelines. Do not use on full face, only on small areas. Not for open cuts, active pimples, rashes, or sensitive skin. Turmeric can stain, use old clothes or towels. Patch test on your arm first. Avoid using daily, 2 to 3 times a week is enough. Do not leave it on for too long. Turmeric is strong. Keep away from eyes and mouth. So that's the magic of Vaseline and turmeric paste. A simple golden remedy that can help with 7 everyday skin issues. It's affordable, natural, and so easy to make at home. Try it and tell me in the comments which remedy you want next. Because sometimes the best beauty secrets are already in your kitchen.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.